बंदा मर गया बोलते कंटेंट दो.
Most of like large content shows which are with food is shot like this.
ये ले देख.
I've lost my shit twice. My legs are numb. My lower back killing me. It's even more intense.
Hi guys, welcome to Master Chow's YouTube channel. As you can see, today we're shooting our campaign shoot, and you will realize today that it takes an entire village. So come along and I'll take you behind the scenes.
We are working very hard to make food look good. Usually they look good only with Master Chow.
Height check.
Hello. Very hectic, very stressful. Surviving on caffeine.
Most of like large content shows which are with food is shot like this. So you have massive cameras, and the bigger the camera, the bigger lights you need. The food shots are taken in a way which is in slow-mo. We have a phantom camera that does 500 fps to 1000 fps. That is frames per second. So even the food is not real, but we guys are shooting with real food. That's what we guys believe in.
बात तो सही है.
हमने fake sun भी बना दिया है. It should feel like it's in the day, the shot. So you can create a fake sun as well. Look up at the ceiling. There are joints every single spot if you see. There are joints everywhere you see that you can hang stuff, you can propel, whatever you want to do. So this studio, there are 3 of them, and we have taken 2 of them, and on the other one, it's even more intense.
So guys, this is the second set, which I also feel is the more fun set. This is where all the brand films are being shot. This is where the actors are and the fun scripts are being shot. We can't go in right now because we're not allowed to talk, but we'll still give you a glimpse of what's happening inside.
Ready, set, roll cam.
बंदा मर गया बोलते कंटेंट दो. आपको पता है वकार मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है? ये ले देख.
ये असली है?
मैंने होटल में आने से डलवा दिया.
देखा
गली को दीवार में चुनवाल हो गया.
So guys, as you can see, the lights are on, the glasses are off, but the day is not over yet. We still have 2 more films to go and another day to go. So let's hope everything's on track. The shoot is a little bit delayed and we are sort of fucked. It's 10 p.m. and we're still going at it. Picture abhi bhi baki hai. If you're watching this on YouTube, pause the video right now and drop your guesses in the comments below about what time we'll get done.
ओके.
Not just Chinese, real ingredients के perfect blend के साथ हर एशियन खाने को घर पर awesome बनाओ with Master Chow.
Okay guys, so that's a wrap for day 1. See you for day 2 with a very, very special guest. Till then, bye bye. Guys, it's 6 a.m. We've just started our day 2 of the shoot. But today we're very excited because we have a special guest with us. Let's go!
Coffee, the God-made hack.
समझने वाले को इशारा कॉपी हाँ
Khichdi and grilled chicken. And I think dhania. Food tastes better when we have it with Master Chow chili oil.
Perfect.
Yeah, boy.
Check with RV, you have done the right thing, no?
Miss Priya, graphic designer. Are you stressed?
Yeah,
Why are you stressed?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's okay. It's teamwork. Everyone stresses together. What's the stress level like?
I'm too chill. I don't really stress much.
Mr. Videographer?
वेरी हाई
Why?
वाई बिकॉज सोए नहीं है हम लोग तमीज से रात को इसलिए मैम
Mr. Gagan?
Mockups are totally fucked up. Now I'm just checking how can I get it done. So I'm actually fucked up.
Who do you think will crash out first?
oh someone's getting fired for sure that I know man
Who do you think will crash out first?
Will crash out first. I think it will be Pooja ma'am. Definitely. Definitely.
We'll crash out. Pooja is already crashing out.
पूजा look at her
Who do you think will crash out first?
कहाँ से मंगाया रे?
Not मंगाया, घर पर बनाया.
So now since we're on a time crunch, we're changing the sets very quickly. We've just shot in a set right there. Now we're going to shoot here. And this is how chaotic the set changes are.
हम बताते हैं कैसे मास्टर चाव से एक्शन हम बताते हैं कैसे मास्टर चाव से
Action! Happy atmosphere, everybody smiling, looking at each other, must and go! And action!
Damn, son, where'd you find
And it has been super intense. I've lost my shit twice. My legs are numb. My lower back is killing me. But still,
मजा आया. और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
it was one of the most amazing, 38 hours till now, and there's 6 more hours still yet to go. We have 150 people on set, from the person who's the security to celebrity number 2. We have 150 people, and the whole idea has been to pull this off. Everyone has been on point. Sabki energies low ho chuki thi, but everyone's picked it back up. And I think first 2-3 times, I think the team has seen me lose my shit, but I think it is all for the better. But I just want to thank everyone from the team, from Together, from Master Chow, from production, from design, art, everybody. Thank you so much for this amazing event.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.
Nizai Nalli, Chauza, Chem Hauchi, Do Chafon.
Pack up.
Alright guys, it's a wrap.
Guys, so it's finally a wrap on the shoot. 48 hours of crazy madness have finally come to an end. This was the set. It's getting dismantled now, so you can see the actual behind the scenes of what goes into making a set. We are finally done. Everyone's very tired, so we'll see you soon. Bye.
Damn, son, where'd you find love?